on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and thereafter traded with a positive bias for around 1 hour after trading session. Then from the highs of the day, the Nifty started correcting. However, there was no meaningful correction, and in the last hour or so of the trading session, the Nifty pulled back again and ultimately ended the day with an 18-point gain in today's trading session. The mid-cap index was negative and the small-cap index closed with marginal gains in today's trading session. The market breadth was though negative with 694 advances to 825 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, ICICI Bank, ONGC, L&T, Reliance were some of the stocks which closed with gains today, while Infosys, TCS, State Bank of India, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, DLF and JP Associates were some of the losers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that no real meaningful movement has occurred in the Nifty since past 6 to 7 trading sessions. It has been just trading in that range of 79.70 on the upside and 78.50 on the downside. Now with the expiry for the August series out of our way, we should expect some movement on the benchmark indices. The movement in the benchmark indices, I say this because there has been stock specific movement in the market, and the Nifty has not been suggesting or indicating the movement that we see in the stock specific. So now the indices will now come into picture, and we could expect some movement, some more movement or volatility in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. We maintain a positive stance on the Nifty. 8050 is a short-term target. On the downside, 7916 and 7850 are crucial supports. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that after opening on a positive note, the Nifty traded sideways for most part of the day and ended the day with a 18-point positive gain. On the hourly chart, we can observe a bullish flag pattern. However, that will be confirmed only above if we trade above today's high of 7968, 7968, 7970 odd levels. So today's trading session was no different from 6 to 7 trading sessions, just traded with a sideways bias. Overall, a trend or the short-term bias on Nifty remains positive with a target of 8050 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has retraced 38% of this entire rise, and today Bank Nifty also saw some muted action, though there was stock specific action in Bank Nifty with likes of Canara Bank losing in trade today, likes of Bank of India breaking its previous swing low. ICICI Bank was positive in today's trading session. There was a mix of action in both the private and PSU banks. Some were positive, some were negative. It could be just due to the expiry day, that is the reason why. However, our trend on Bank Nifty also remains positive. Crucial supports are placed at 15,500 and 15,666. On the upside, 15,800 and 15,973 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. Now we will open on Monday for trading, tomorrow being a holiday for Ganesh Chaturthi. Now the new series for September series will start from Monday. A trend for Nifty remains positive. Stop loss should be placed at 7850 for target of 8050 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.